Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is PMDC online lecture room. This lecture is from second year chemistry. Topic of the lecture is physical properties of alkanes. Dear student, as you know that alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons with single bonds in their structure formulas. In physical properties of alkanes, first we discuss physical state of alkanes. The first four members of the alkane series from carbon number 1 to carbon number 4, that is methane, ethane, propane and butane, they are all colorless gases. Next 13 members having carbon number 5 to carbon number 17 are colorless liquids, while the higher alkanes having carbon number greater than 17 are solids. It means that alkanes exist in all the three states of matter depending on the number of carbon atoms in their structure formulas. The second property is the solubility. We all know that like dissolves likes. It means that polar solute dissolves in polar solvent and non-polar solute dissolves in non-polar solvent. So alkane being non-polar are soluble in non-polar solvent like carbon tetrachloride and benzene, while they are insoluble in polar solvent like water. Next is the boiling point of alkanes. The boiling point of alkanes increase with increase in molecular weight. It means that greater the number of carbon atom in the structure formula of alkanes, higher will be the boiling point and vice versa. Similarly, the boiling point of straight chain alkanes are higher than the branch alkanes. Here is an example of pentane. You can observe three different structures of pentane. That is straight chain pentane called N-pentane, and branched pentane, that is isopentane and neopentane. You can observe that all the three structures of pentanes contain 5 carbon atoms, but the boiling point of N-pentane, that is straight chain pentane, are higher than the branched pentane, that is isopentane and neopentane. So the structure of alkanes affect the boiling point. Melting points of alkanes. The melting points of alkane also increase with increasing in molecular weight, as in case of boiling point. The specific gravity of alkanes also increases with increase in molecular weight. Higher the number of carbon atom in the structure formula of alkane, higher will be the gravity. Next is viscosity. Dear students, as you know that viscosity is the resist to flow. So viscosity also increases with increase in number of carbon atom in the structure formula of alkanes. In this image, you can observe a summary of the physical properties of alkanes. So methane being the smallest member of the alkane series with a melting point minus 132 degrees centigrade, boiling point minus 164. The density is 0.668 gram per liter and the physical state is gaseous state, followed by the ethane, propane and butane. You can observe a gradual change in the boiling point, melting point and density, while the physical state is same. In case of pentane, hexane, octane, and decane, they are all liquid, but their melting point, boiling point, and densities varies as you can observe in this image. So this was about the physical properties of alkanes. Now we will discuss the physical properties of cycloalkanes. Just like alkanes, in case of cycloalkanes, the first two members, that is cyclopropane and cyclobutane, are gases at room temperature, while remaining cycloalkanes are liquids. Again, the solubility depends on the nature of the solute. So the cycloalkanes are insoluble in water and soluble in ethanol and ether because they are non-polar, as in case of alkanes. Their melting point and boiling points also shows a gradual increase with increasing the molecular weight. So this was about today's lecture. Now if you understand the lecture, here's an assignment for you people. The assignment is from your exercise long question number 3 part B. Write down the physical properties of alkanes and cycloalkanes. Thank you.